Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW X5 guys with a 3.0 liter gasoline engine. I'm talking about generation E70. Many of you guys asked us in the comment section below where is the map sensor and how to replace it. Now it's a little bit hidden on the X5, but the same engine guys that has been used in that X5, it's actually the N52 engine, can be found in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X1, X3 and X5. Even 1 Series BMW here in the United States. This is the most popular engine. There will be one little difference. Your air filter box will be on top of the intake manifold on the X5. Otherwise, if you have a 3 Series like we do, you will not have that air box, and we can show with great detail where the sensor is located and what needs to be done to replace it. So there is another thing that you may not even need a new sensor, so make sure guys you stay until the end. We'll share something important with you. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing these free videos guys. In addition, if you need to buy new sensor parts, anything like that, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. So this is guys the engine right here, N52 engine. Now we'll be demonstrating on 3 Series, but the X5 will be very similar guys, because it's practically the same engine, but we want to show you with great detail where things are. Usually you will have your air filter box on top, so you will need to remove it to get to it. In some cases, you will actually even need to remove this cover right here on the X5 as well. This is the cover that you have to get to it, and past that point your intake manifold will look exactly guys the same way, just like that one. And if you come on the back side right here towards the very back on the intake manifold, the X5 will be exactly the same way. You have that sensor that it's called a map sensor. This is the manifold absolute pressure sensor. Now how it is connected, you press down right there and pull the wire out. Perfect. Then we need to get a screwdriver. We're going to use a Torx 25 star looking bit, and we're going to remove both of the screws, one on the right, one on the left side. Now guys, doesn't mean that you have a bad sensor if you have a code related to it. Always check the wiring harness, make sure it's not loose or broken. Another thing, you have one O-ring on the map sensor that can cause vacuum leak, and that vacuum leak can result actually guys in throwing a code. So always guys inspect that as well. We'll grab it, make sure you cover the hole so you don't drop anything inside of it. And this is your map sensor, right here. That's what it looks like. That's the O-ring I was talking about. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.